Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A2x, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, we'll need to turn off our phone by holding power button and volume up, and then swipe down to power it off. When the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And you will see recovery mode show up right here at the very bottom. Once you do, you can let go of both of the buttons and simply wait for the device to boot into recovery mode. Now, before it actually fully boots into it, it gives us the language selection for the recovery mode. So choose whichever one you want. I'm going to be sticking with English. And then we have our three options in the recovery mode. We have format data, which basically factory resets your device to its beginning state, reboot, or power off the device. So there we go. Now I'm going to select reboot just so I can get back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.